Hey everyone, welcome back. Craig Schoettler here with MGM Resorts, Master Mixologist. Today we're going to go over a short lesson on how to balance a citrus-based cocktail. So that way, using the ingredients you may have in your refrigerator or your pantry, you can make a delicious cocktail every time. So citrus-based cocktails, what we try and do is we balance the ethanol or the base spirit with acid and sugar. Sugar, we can use simple syrup, which is 1:1 water to sugar, and a cordial, which could be green chartreuse, maraschino, triple sec. The acid comes in the form of lemon juice and lime juice. If you happen to have some lemons or limes that are starting to slowly rot, what you can do is juice them all now, put them in an airtight container, label them so you know which is which, and stick it in the freezer. You could also put them in ice cube trays, that way they're pre-portioned, ready to go for when you need them. The golden rule to make a citrus cocktail balanced is this. It is 2 ounces of your base spirit, 3/4 of an ounce of sugar, and 3/4 of an ounce of acid. 2, 3/4, 3/4. So the most basic citrus cocktail is called a daiquiri. It is 2 ounces of white rum, 3/4 ounce lime juice, and 3/4 ounce simple syrup. 2, 3/4, 3/4. If we were to take rum out and add vodka, we would have a gimlet. All we're doing is subbing the ingredients in and out when we change the cocktail name. If we were to keep vodka, but get rid of lime and add lemon, 2, 3/4, 3/4, we would have a lemon drop. This is how we make all seasonal and specialty cocktails. We take a template that we know works, we sub the ingredients in of what we have and what season flavor profile we're going for, but we still have to follow the 2, 3/4, 3/4. So you could take simple syrup and infuse it with thyme leaves and make a thyme daiquiri. You could take lemon juice and sub in lime juice, or split it, use lemon and lime juice. All you need to do is remember to follow 2, 3/4, 3/4, and you'll have a balanced cocktail every time. So now my challenge to you, make a specialty cocktail at home with the ingredients you have, take a picture, post the recipe to us, and you never know, it may make it on our menu here in Las Vegas. Cheers.